Hello, beautiful artists! In this video, we are gonna learn how to make paper snowflakes. I'm gonna need a piece of paper, and the first thing we're gonna do, since this piece of paper is rectangular, I'm gonna make it into a square. For that, I'm gonna fold one edge of the paper to the opposite side, and it's gonna come up with like this triangle shape, the folded part, and this rectangle that is on the side, it's the part that I'm gonna cut with my scissors, so the paper becomes a perfect square. I'm gonna put that piece of paper away, and now I have this triangle that whenever you open it, it becomes a perfect square. I'm gonna fold it once. Now I'm gonna fold it again in half, just to get that middle mark, that middle line in here, because that's gonna help us to do the next steps. Now I'm gonna fold one of the sides with the help of my finger to the other side in a diagonal way. See, one side, we fold it to the opposite side in a diagonal way, and I'm gonna do exactly the same step with the other edge. So at the end, we're gonna have kind of like the shape of a flower. Okay, let me repeat the process again. We have the square, we fold it in half, it becomes a triangle. We fold it back in half so we can have that line. We're gonna get one of the edges, we're gonna fold it diagonally, and we are gonna do exactly the same with the other edge. Now that I have this, I'm gonna fold the whole structure into another half, just so we have that middle line. Okay, we're gonna open it, which is not gonna be left folded. We're gonna open it because we need that line to help us with our drawing. I'm gonna mark that line a little bit more. It's gonna be our guideline, and I'm gonna start drawing the shape of my snowflake. I'm gonna draw two vertical lines next to the guideline that is in the middle. I'm gonna make this a small triangle here at the bottom. What else I can make? You can decide whatever design you want. Okay, I'm gonna do it this way, but there are millions of designs to make snowflakes. I will leave you some more patterns at the end of this video. I'm gonna do like an arrow. This is gonna be two diagonal lines that go up top. I'm gonna do it symmetrical, which means that I'm doing the same thing in one side and in the other side, in the left and right side. I'm gonna do this arrow, and then I'm gonna do these two branches on each side of the main line. And yeah, I think this is gonna be my design for this snowflake. So what I'm gonna do now is grab my scissors and cut through the lines I just made with my pencil. And now that I'm done cutting, very carefully, I'm gonna start opening my design, and it's gonna become this beautiful snowflake. Isn't it cool? I'm gonna leave you right now some images of other patterns you can use to create your own paper snowflake. And I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you very soon. Bye!